I love Canva, just like I love YouTube.
There is only one of you, only one of me.
What I want to give you in creating your brand, you can go on Canva. I love Canva, just like I love YouTube. It's amazing, and you can use it free. You can use it for free. Canva is going to have all your marketing necessities, and you can create your own brand kit on there. So if you literally go into Canva and search brand kit, it'll pull up templates that you can create your own brand kit little template, and you can print that out. You could give it to somebody and they could create branding for you just by you putting together the colors that you want, or you can go, of course, hire somebody to put a brand kit together for you. But you're here, you're a DIYer because you are on this video to DIY your own podcast. So Canva is going to be the best tool for you. And I went pro, so you have the opportunity to go pro, and I have a special link for you below that you could actually use, and you could get some really amazing benefits. Using Canva, you can use it for absolutely for free, and there's so many amazing tools, but going pro gives you access to other things that you don't have when you are not pro. So using Canva to make amazing marketing assets. I call them marketing assets. If you have a flyer, if you have a video, intro, so many things. Let me know below if you want me to go into detail on Canva, because I'm a geek on that too, and I absolutely love designing things. So I get to show you how I design my things. So I design so much. Really quick side note, I design every flyer, every Instagram post. If I have anything that's just like a cute little blurb, like those reminders, like a text looks, you can look at my stuff and see, but I literally use Canva for my intros on video intros, on all the things. You can create thirds on Canva. You could create green screen, on screen things that you kind of see popping up on my video. You can create those in Canva. Lots of things you can create in Canva. So Canva is my #1 recommendation tool for creating your podcast assets. So creating your podcast cover. So branding yourself.